President Trump is pushing ahead with new tariffs in the wake of the Supreme Court decision that wiped out many of the previously announced tariffs.
And now trading partners around the world are trying to figure out how to respond. Natalie Brand has more.
It's clear tariffs remain on the president's mind. He's posted a series of messages on social media this morning, and he has a new warning for countries who say they're confused over the administration's next steps. President Trump on Monday doubled down on plans to use other avenues to pursue his tariff agenda and threatened any country that wants to, quote, play games with what he called a ridiculous Supreme Court decision will be met with a much higher tariff, adding buyer beware. Over the weekend, the president announced he would be raising global tariffs to 15% using Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974. But those can only remain in effect for 150 days.
We don't have the same flexibility that IEEPA gave us.
U.S. Trade Representative Jamison Greer was pressed on Face the Nation what happens when that 150 days is up.
During that time, we're going to conduct investigations that can allow us to impose tariffs if it's justified by the investigation. So we expect to have continuity in the president's tariff program. We know that these laws work. They're tried and true.
But trading partners around the world are facing new uncertainty. European Union officials convened an emergency meeting amid the confusion. Monday, the European Union delayed a vote to ratify the trade agreement between the EU and US that was agreed upon last year in Scotland.
It's unclear if there will be additional measures or how the United States will really guarantee that the deal of Sunbury will be respected.
Ambassador Greer told CBS News he expects the previously negotiated deals to stand. There's also a lack of clarity about what happens to the estimated $130 billion raised by the global tariffs. Businesses and states have said they will fight for refunds, but the Supreme Court's opinion did not address that issue. And Jamison Greer, the U.S. Trade Representative, says they will need guidance from the courts. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.